Welcome to another edition of Susie's Unleashed. Today we have Indian summer, so we will have a barbecue going on. Today we are barbecuing some Greek food, shish kebab, souvlaki, as they are called. We have over here going on right now into the hot grill right now. We have pork shish kebab, we have chicken shish kebab, we have Greek sausages, which is linked with orange peel and pepper. These are already marinated with oregano and pepper. They're ready for the grill. I'll show you our fire, our wood stick fire, which is already ready to go. And we'll be putting them on very slowly right now. So as you take a few of the pork shish kebabs, as they're called, or souvlaki in Greek, we lay them across. Our wood fire. These will take up to about 5 to 10 minutes to cook. Okay. Spread them all around. I guess we could also lay our sausage. And these will cook for about 10 minutes right now. And let them perk up a little bit. Not too, you don't want to get cooked too well. So we will take them off in about 10 minutes.